Jackson is already regretting why he made Zwelethu partner at the depot. Zwelethu drinks with the workers to get them on his side, and Magolide refuses to forgive Mamiki, saying he just cares about the baby. Mamiki is a gold digger. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So, Zwelethu came with a lot of changes at depot. First, it was the pay rise. Jiggy Uti wants to add more trucks. Jackson realized at the time, and when I was calling off this deal, you're not my boss. I haven't signed anything. And then Upechina goes to Pastor Dlamini to apologize for saying that Pastor Dlamini did not support Usakile when he did the strike. Pastor Dlamini said it's fine, and then at Pilile, and it's bold of you to come and apologize. And also things are going to be better now because so Zwelethu at depot, Zwelethu is even given the workers a raise. Pechina goes to see Zwelethu asking him, can you please give back umsebenzi wakhe Usakile because he had resigned in Jackson. And then Zwelethu is like, no problem, I'll definitely give back Jackson umsebenzi wakhe. I know he went to Mozambique. We'll talk when he's back. And then Pechina tells Ukapteni where to get off because Ukapteni came in wabashanga mara babuleti nama tear gas when they were striking. And then the workers see Zwelethu a hotel and they start celebrating because they're celebrating a raise yabo, and Zwelethu appears. They decided to celebrate him. They bought him a drink. Zwelethu even sat down with them and drank with the workers. Umartha was shocked why is Zwelethu sitting with the workers. Achaza-ke ukuthi hey bayacelebrate pay raise. And then she talks with Jackson saying, do you see what Zwelethu is doing? He's trying to get the workers on his side so that they can turn against you. You need to do something about this before it's too late. And then Mamiki is going on asking people to help her win Magolide back. Ulira was like, nope, I'm not getting involved. Also, her parents, Upinki, know some danger. They were like, Asingeni. You said I'm full Magolide, so why now? She decides, I'm going to go and talk to Sipho and Tim. Sipho is like, nope, I still want you for myself. Tim wants me, I'll talk to him. I'm private, making money. Try to Sipho talking to Magolide. Magolide does I'm not even going to entertain this. Mami said clearly what I'm funny because I'm broke. Now that I have money, she wants me. All I want now, I only care about the baby. All I want now is just to support. I want nothing to do with Mami. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.